Are you searching for best battery-powered lawnmower in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best battery-powered lawnmowers on the market. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1, WORX WG77940V Lawn Mower. WORX is a highly popular brand if you are looking for electric and battery-powered power tools. And its lawn mower offering is also a battery-powered model for ease of use. This sleek, 14-inch 40V lawn mower with IntelliCut and mulching capabilities is packed with technology and doesn't skimp on power. With two of our 20V 4.0Ah batteries giving it 40V, you get double the runtime and double the efficiency. It's a powerful but energy-efficient mower. And that's just where the benefits start. Gas-powered mowers are messy, costly, and can wake up the whole block. WORX battery-powered machines are clean, both to operate and for the environment, and cost-effective because electricity costs less than gas. The 6-position cutting height ranges from 2.5 inch to 3.5 inch. The 4Ah batteries give you up to 1/8 acre cut on a single charge. Number 2, Sunjoe Cordless Push Lawn Mower, the completely cordless counterpart of Sunjoe's best-selling MJ401E electric mower. Perfect for small to medium lawns, the battery-powered mower's durable steel blade cuts a crisp 14-inch wide path with precision in a single pass, and features convenient 3-position manual height control to quickly tailor your turf to just the right height. Collect the clippings with the 10.6-gallon bag, and detach for quick and easy disposal. MJ401C is driven by a long-life, peak-performance rechargeable 28-volt lithium-ion battery for the ultimate in cordless convenience. Best features: 4-year warranty, 14-inch cutting width, 3-position manual height adjustment system. Number 3, Greenworks Cordless Lawn Mower. Greenworks is a brand of electric power tools including lawn mowers. It also makes a battery-operated lawn mower that is quite powerful. It comes with a 21-inch cutting blade size that is more than enough for most users out there. Since it comes with an 80-volt battery system, you can expect a great cutting performance from this lawn mower. It offers performance equal to that of a 160 cubic centimeters gas engine-powered lawn mower. This lawn mower offers a great build quality with a 4-year warranty. This makes it a very durable and reliable option when compared to other battery-powered lawn mower options. Number 4, Snapper XD Cordless Lawnmower. If you're looking for power tools, the Snapper XD can be another great pick. And as you'd expect, it also makes a variety of lawn mowers, including battery-powered ones. This Snapper XD SXD21 SPWM82K lawn mower is 21-inch self-propelled walk mower, features a durable steel 3-in-1 mowing deck, allowing you to mulch, side discharge or bag for up to 90 minutes with the included 2 Briggs Stratton 2.0 batteries. Effortlessly choose from 7 different cutting heights with a convenient single-level height of cut adjustment. Best features: 5-year warranty, 21-inch cutting width, 82-volt battery system. Number 5, Makita XML03PT1 Cordless Lawn Mower Kit. Makita is one of the more premium power tool brands known for making expensive power tools. Similarly, its lawn mower is also somewhat expensive. This battery-powered lawn mower uses two 18-volt batteries for a total of 36-volt battery power or voltage. And when combined with its 18-inch cutting blade, you get an excellent cutting performance. It uses high-quality brushless motors that can go up to 3,300 RPM if needed. Another great thing about this lawn mower is that it uses two 5.0Ah batteries for long battery life. You can cut up to 7,300 square feet in a single full charge. This battery-powered lawn mower offers a total of 10 cutting heights. 3-year warranty. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.